All right, folks, if you need it, for the Green Book math holders, here are the questions that you're going to need to complete for math lesson number 1. Okay, here we are on page 222. We'll zoom in here. So the information, still see that? Yes, okay. So the information up at the top above this dashed line is basically the short version of the lesson we just did, okay? Just talking about fractions of denominators that are multiples of 10, tenths, hundredths, commonly appear in units of measurement. A millimeter is a tenth of a centimeter. A centimeter is a tenth of a decimeter. A decimeter is a tenth of a meter. A centimeter is a hundredth of a meter. Decimals are short forms for fractions. The chart shows the value of the decimal digits. So just like we did, right? You find the dot. To the left of the dot or the decimal are the ones. First one on the right is the tenths, and then the hundredths. I find that a little bit tricky to say, but I'll try to make it different so that tenths sounds different than tens. So question number 1 is asking you to write the place value of the underlined digit. So you look for who's underlined, and then remember ones, tenths, hundredths, so they've written hundredths in here. Next one, find the dot, ones is to the left, so it's tenths, right? So we would write tenths in here. So the 3 words you might need are up at the top in here, either ones, tenths, or hundredths. For question number 2, it says, give the place value of the number 6 in each of the numbers below. So instead of underlining a number, they're just looking for you to find the digit 6. Here we are here. It's beside the decimal point. It's on the right-hand side. So the one that's on the right-hand side of the decimal point is the tenths. So here you would write the tenths. Number 3 says, write the following numbers into the place value chart. So they've given you a number, and you figure out what digit's in the ones column. So the 5 was in the ones column, the 0 is in the tenths column, and the 3 is in the hundredths column. Right? So for this number, 9.47, you figure out which number goes in the ones column, which number goes in the tenths column, and which number goes in the hundredths column. Right? And so we can, again, use this up at the top here to figure out which is which. If you have any questions, just get your parents to send me an email, and we can always Skype to sort things out.